With increased exposure, authors gain greater reach and recognition for their work, building greater influence in their field.
The thesis that I did at San Diego State was called Remarkable Moments: Communicating Trust in the Relationship Between the Child with Autism and the Parent Caregiver. When it came time to suddenly be confronted with, my son has autism, what is this? How am I going to reach him? So I had to be able to figure out how to reach into his little nonverbal head and decipher what it was he wanted or needed or was feeling, and then communicate to him that he could trust me to meet those needs. What I was really going after were how we train therapists and people that work with these kids in the community, not just the parents. I had to produce some literature that might inspire that. So I knew the only way to get it out there was to publish it. ProQuest looked like a legitimate option for me because I knew that if the thesis was only published at the university and in their library, it wasn't necessarily going to get very far. Having my work in with ProQuest, where it is seen by other researchers, it can then act as a seed that can be germinated by their own research. And that was the most important thing, that it stands on its own, but it needs to grow. And being part of the ProQuest program, I think, can do that.